Y'all, I have a new listing that I have to share. It is an amazing rustic cabin built in the 1880s, and it was newly remodeled in 2013. It sits on 25 acres in Elf Village. You're not gonna believe it. It's a 3-2 with an amazing kitchen. You can make cookies for days. There is even guest cottages for all the elves to stay. This property, 25 acres, has an amazing workshop, and you can see the northern lights. The gourmet kitchen with a fabulous new oven has settings for 12 settings for baking cookies. And let me tell you about the fireplace. Plenty of room for all the stockings you want to hang. All of this could be yours for $1.15 million. Contact me today if you want to get a showing at the North Pole for the newest listing on the market. Santa will pick us up in his sleigh for a private showing.